What is up? Just got done eating breakfast. I am about to go to a car show. And what car show, you may be asking? A Hot Wheels car show by Mobile One. I just gotta go pick up my girlfriend. Just a really quick warning. She is really cute. Really cute. Just so you know. Alright, so we got a little bit of a problem. I can't drive my Mustang because the fan it went out, to say the least. So I gotta drive my truck. My truck's not in the best shape. And I really want to stress out right now, but I'm not. If I don't die. I'm not gonna stress out because I'm trying to give y'all a good video. I'm just gonna be real. So let's just hope for the best. Right, so it is slam packed at Walmart right now.
And Trevor decided to wake up in a bad mood today, so he put me in a bad mood.
I already told them. Yeah, I had to be honest. I was like, guys, I'm upset. I don't have my car. I'm going through it.
Well,
but
everybody, there's worse things happening in the world. There's people that are dying. So I'm pretty sure you can live without your precious Mustang.
I just wanted to have it. I'm still letting you out. I'm not gonna change because I'm on YouTube.
I'll let myself.
Oh wow. Anyways, that's a Walmart parking lot. I've never seen a Walmart parking lot that packed. There's a lot of
Black Friday then.
still. There's a lot of good-looking cars. GTR passed by, R35, when we were pulling in, and I spazzed out. She knows barely anything about cars, so this is gonna be a good teaching day. It is actually insane. I could see this as a Hot Wheel. What do you think?
I don't know nothing about it.
Could you see it as a little toy?
It's ugly.
This thing slammed to the ground, right? Probably on bags. Interior's clean. And then the pipes. Alright. There we go. There we go. This is Emily's taste.
It's so pretty.
She's a
Look at the Deadpool.
Mopar queen, I guess. I'm gonna go over there. So loves BRZs. This thing's pretty good looking. Not gonna lie. Hot Wheel status. Wide body. Grass. The canards are wild though. This is based off like the Cube car, the Skyline Cube. It's kind of dope, not gonna lie. I'm gonna walk around this BMW to get the full effect. Like, look at this thing. Got the bags in the front with the train horn. Pretty dope. A 6x6 Honda Civic. Definitely could see this being a Hot Wheel. And you got it's a beater, obviously. Probably a drift car. Still though, it's a Nissan. You gotta love it. If I had a vote, this is the Hot Wheel, okay? Only because of this. Like, all these kids need to see this, right?
Bo?
I love it. Okay, so she said she wants one of these.
It's too low to the ground. You hit a speed bump, it's over.
It's on bags. Do you know what bags are?
I did not.
Okay, bags. Basically bags. It's an air system where you press a magical button and your car goes all the way to the ground. You can raise the car. It's not permanently that low. All right.
Oh my God, look at this one.
70, 80 grand later and you get this beautiful machine.
Oh. Okay, now it makes sense.
Which option you choosing? Classic black or the red and yellow? I love it. Nismo. As a Porsche man, gotta have a lifted one, like Sahara buggy style. I'm thinking yes. This is kind of cool. Emily just said it was ugly, but it's really, really cool. Lifted El Camino. You know they came here just for this. This ain't no ordinary Ford Ranger. For one, it's a step side. For two, it got go-go juice. My dad might be at an F100, so, but there ain't nothing like this. Nice. Clean side. She said she really likes this F100, so this D100. You said this is ugly?
There's too many colors.
It's patina. It's like, it's supposed to look old school. That's why they did it.
Old.
Yeah. And he's repping Jesus underneath the hood. I'm gonna try and convince.
Memory.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna try and convince Emily to get these Heritage wheels for her car when she gets it. Because she's admiring this Vet. The Vet is really, really clean. I love the theme, the purple and blue. LT4. Let's see how low this thing is. Yep, I'd say that's pretty low. And then her other favorite,
Look at the little lightning thing on it.
since she's a little Mopar queen. So we're starting to get back into my area of cars. The cars from here on out. Nice clean little Z. And what's this over here? It's a Toyota. And you got a Civic and then a Mustang.
No, it's so fake.
No, you gotta say it for the camera. Say it.
I think I want to be a car girl now.
So we got Toyota Hilux here, and then Emily wants me to take a picture with it. So I'm not really saying car names because for some reason my mind goes completely blank. Like I've tried saying names and they'll just not come into me. I'm pretty sure this is an E36. If so, it looks really good. RX-8 race car. I know I didn't say RX-8 because it says it right there. I actually know this car. Gotta love the rotary. full cage. Babe, this is a full-on drift car. So sadly, most of this music is gonna get cutted out because of copyright, but she loves music, if you can't tell. Half of this, pretty sure this is a G80. No, maybe. Q. All right, so this car's half carbon, right? I just realized I said G80. G80 is a Supra. I am so freaking dumb. It's like a Q35 or something like that. Half of it's carbon. It's really, really clean. And Emily here. Emily there is trying to figure out the spider because the old man has this RC spider that comes out of his car, and it's kind of funny. You like that one? The silver one. What if it was full silver? No carbon. Pink. It's an option. She just asked what happens when it rains. And then I told her it was garage kept. So I'm pretty sure these are 944s, a hatchback or something. And then the other one looks more like a hatchback. I don't know. Porsches. So I don't care. It's a Porsche. I remember playing with this one as a kid. I'm about to do it. Y'all skating it too. Dude was I'm pretty sure that one's imported because the dude was, it looked like he was driving. I'm not trying to be sexist or anything, but the dude was driving from what appeared on the right side. So I like completely geeked out because besides the
Out on the floor and all in front of those people's cars.
besides the R35, I like all the GTRs. So that one wasn't even a GTR, it was a GTS. In some cases that's better. But I seen it and I went, I had like a full little girl in front of them. And then I know they were like dying inside. So yeah. Yes, sir, the Mustang. Bro, I wish I brought mine so bad, babe. Okay, it's a couple days after now. I want to say thank you for watching. This video is also going to be on mine and her couples channel. I'll link it below. Y'all go subscribe to that one. And also, if you're watching this on that channel, go subscribe to Trev TV. She's at school right now. I took the day off since it's the end of the year. I got an interview, so I'm about to go get ready for that. We love life. Okay, we love y'all. Bye.